Hello.
There no lack of the chemistry. I'm really fucking with all of your energy. Highly pursue, but I don't let it get to me. They say the start of us might be the end of me. I don't read minds, but I see signs. Johnny and June, we walking around.
Home Depot run. Alrighty, so I got some more underlayment yesterday. It's not the pink stuff, but it's the same brand. We're gonna finish that up today. But yeah, good morning. Hope you had a good day. It's a Tuesday out here. Hope you had a good 4th of July. We'll just, get into it, figure out what we're gonna do, and I'll title it what I'm gonna do. So, let's jump into it. I got it. Look at that. Really nice. Gotta make sure I get, a video and stuff like that for the Instagram. So we got that all lined up. I did mention maybe doing another layer, but the directions say that if it's this slope, that it should cover half of it. But it also says that it should be at least 12 inches, which is past. It's from this edge to this middle line here, and I did that all the way down. So I think it sounds like, to be extra safe, you do halfway, but at a minimal do 12, and I did a little bit more or on 12. So yeah, it should be fine. Let me know in the comments if I'm wrong. Also, what was I gonna say? I don't know what I was gonna say besides this stuff is pretty easy to put on. Synthetic underlayment. I do need to check the fastening schedule because I think it does say to put more on if you're not gonna put the shingles on right away. But I had this on last night and it looks perfectly fine. We don't have high winds in this area, Texas, outside of Austin, so I'm not concerned about it. So yeah, that's it, and it's exciting. Alrighty, the next thing we gotta do here is put concrete in this little gap here. They didn't pour it all the way to the garage, which they explained why, and I was like, oh, that makes sense. But now thinking back again, they should have definitely just poured it all the way. So that's what I'm doing now. I have some bags to go in here, but this is so this door will open up into the garage. And I covered the ends off, and then I'm just gonna pour it in there straight across. I was gonna put some rebar in there too. So just concrete's just like a lot of work. So yeah, I'm doing all the not fun stuff today. Oh, buddy. Oh, bud. Hey there. This video is brought to you by Goods. And Goods has high quality supplements and goods. If you're looking for some protein, some collagen to put in your coffee, to make your joints stronger, to make your muscles stronger, to make your brain stronger, if you're looking for some good high quality coffee, then check out my site, Goods. We have good quality supplements and goods like hats and apparel. And it's pretty awesome, if I do so say myself. Give this channel a subscribe, and what the? My wife just drove up with the car after she had left for the gym because there's no infant room. But anyways, this video is sponsored by me. But I really appreciate it if you go and check out the site, see if there's anything you like. Buy something for your friend, buy something for your dad, buy something for your husband, buy something for yourself, buy something for your wife, whatever it may be. Buy something and enjoy good quality supplements and goods by Saya Goods. Alrighty, let's get back into the video. Another afternoon, yeah. Another afternoon, yeah. Do you like my song? Yeah, I hope you do, because it's so cool, yeah. Let's check the concrete over here. It's like it's hardening up nice. So we have these brackets that my structural guy told me to get. They're ties, strong ties for the joist. Why is this so low? There we go. Strong ties for the joist, and I put a couple of them up there already. So I'm gonna just do that, and then we'll move on to something else after that. So I just spent forever putting this one plywood piece up here in the corner. I put the plywood on the bottom the other day, but I had to put some roofing layer on it, and then put the plywood, and I'm hiring. It's like 4, I think. 408. Just killing me. I don't know if I'm gonna do more today or not. I think I might take another break. So I'm just pooped. So see y'all in a few. Hi, I'm back again. It's only been a little bit, but got to chill, watch a Becky and Chris episode. Well, I actually just scrolled through because it was their IKEA cabinet one. That just gives me some anxiety just watching. The concrete over here is dried, so I think I might remove this. Hello. Alrighty, I'm back. I wrapped some of the house. I just really wanted to. It makes me feel accomplished. Just so many steps to get to this point. It's just really exciting. I still need to sheathe this up here and the back portion where the roof is back there, which I might. Hey, the Roadrunner's back. Anyway, I might need to order some more sheathing for that. We're just chugging along, so this might be the end of this video. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for stopping by. Hit me in the comments, hit that like, hit that smash, hit that subscribe. Yeah. Alrighty. See you later. See you out there. See you in the next video. Go watch this video. Alrighty.